Let's factor this polynomial expression, 25u squared plus 30u plus 9 minus 16b squared plus 8bc minus c squared. Now we're going to factor this by grouping. So I'm going to group the first three terms here, and likewise I'll group the last three terms. So that's 25 u squared plus 30u plus 9. Now, this is minus, so we can factor out minus 1 here. So I'll write here minus, and enclose it in a parenthesis. So I'll write here 16b squared. So 16b squared times minus 1 is minus 16b squared. This is plus, so change the sign, minus 8bc. Minus 8bc times minus 1 is plus 8bc. That's minus, so change the sign, becomes plus c squared. So c squared times minus 1 is minus c squared. Now, take note of this. We have here 25u squared and 9. Both are perfect squares. So this is probably a perfect square trinomial. So let's factor that directly. So get the square root of 25u squared, that's 5u. So that's 5u and a 5u here. Square root of 9 is 3. So I'll write here 3 and 3. The sign of the middle term is plus. So I'll write here plus and a plus here. Now let's check this. 5u times 5u is 25u squared. 5u times 3 is 15u. 3 times 5u is 15u. 15u plus 15u is plus 30u. So it satisfies the middle term. 3 times 3 is 9. So we're good with this. Minus. So same thing here. This is probably another perfect square trinomial, because the first and last terms are both perfect squares. Get the square root of 16b squared, that's 4b. So 4b and 4b here, square root of c squared is c. Right here, c and c. Sign of the middle term is minus. So I'll write here minus and a minus. So let's check this. 4b times 4b is 16b squared. 4b times minus c is minus 4bc. Minus c times 4b is minus 4bc. Minus 4bc minus 4bc is minus 8bc. So it satisfies the middle term. Minus c times minus c is plus c squared. Okay, so we're good with this. Now, this becomes now a product of two identical binomials. So we could rewrite this as 5u plus 3 quantity squared. And likewise, this one is a product of two identical binomials. So we could rewrite that as minus 4b minus c quantity squared. Now, if I denote 5u plus 3 as x and 4b minus c as y, we now have the x squared minus y squared. So that's the difference in the squares of two numbers. Now, if you would recall, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Now we're going to substitute the values of x. That's 5u plus 3 and y here 4b minus c. So let's substitute this in this formula. So that's x plus y. That's 5u plus 3 plus 4b minus c times x minus y. So 5u plus 3 minus 4b minus c. Yep. Now let us simplify. That's 5u. Take it out of the bracket. 5u plus 3 plus 4b minus c times 5u plus 3. So let's take this out of the parentheses. That becomes minus 4b. So minus c preceded by a minus sign, that becomes plus c. Now let's rearrange the terms. I write here 5u plus 4b minus c plus 3 times 5u minus 4b plus c plus 3. And that's the answer.